Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use multiple text styles in Snapchat. Snapchat lets its users change the text font on their snaps and use multiple different fonts on the same snap. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to the camera screen and click on the button in order to take a picture or record a video, or you can also tap the gallery icon and upload a visual from your camera roll. On the right, find the text icon and press on it, or you can hit anywhere on your screen. Type in whatever you want. Select the text font and choose color. Now repeat the action. Once you're happy with your snap, send it to your friend or insert into your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use multiple text styles in Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.